Yeah, breaking down the news right now, families and friends. You know it's Rastafari soldier again, Olympic two-time champion. Yeah, Elaine Thompson Herah has won her first major title of the season, and I man, I gotta talk about that right now. Greetings and salutations to all nation. Ladies and gentlemen, you know I'm Rastafari
Greetings,
soldier.
greetings.
Yeah. Welcome to Deep Roads TV. Yeah. Free Youths TV.
How you guys doing out there? We having a good time, man. We're right in Fort Lauderdale Beach.
Perspective. You know, Shelly-Ann is I man favorite runner, the pocket rocket, but right now I have to give the flowers to, yeah, the two-time Olympic champion, Elaine Thompson Herah, who has won her first major title for the season by taking the gold medal in the 100-meter dash at the Commonwealth Game in Birmingham. Yeah, not in Alabama, but Birmingham, England. The result was not so surprising, ladies and gentlemen, but it wowed the crowd. Nevertheless, the five-time Olympic gold medalist stormed to victory in a time of 10.95 seconds to win the third attempt at the Commonwealth, because she got it 3 times and never win nothing. Bear with me. Me have the race. I'm going to give you a little itsy bitsy taste. You are going to take. So as I continue, people, the gold came 16 days after the sprint queen finished behind Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce and Shericka Jackson, which Jamaica, of course, swept the 100-meter at the 2022 World Athletics Championship in Eugene, Oregon. Now, Thompson Herah took the 100-meter bronze medal, you are going to see, which was, to me, disappointing. I could see it in her face. You are going to see. Now, I'm excited that she won. Not comparing to the competition that she did in the United States, it was just awful. Now, like I say, I have the race. I'm going to give you a little clip, but like I said, you know, I man have to add context to the content, because YouTube observes the fair use act. So here is a clip of the race, and I'm going to give it a little call right here. As you see, Thompson Herah takes off, and she is in lane 4. The field is there with her, but of course, her excellent burst of speed, yeah, deliver her the victory, ladies and gentlemen. Now, I am very elated whenever Thompson Herah wins her race, because I could see that the media, especially the social, is not too happy for her a lot of the times. But after her win, she stated that, you know, I did have to dig deep, tried my best nevertheless. I am grateful for the win, my first Commonwealth game win. I started in 2014 in the 4 by 100 meter. Then in 2018, 200 meter, came 4th. And now I upgraded to gold, she commented. Now, ladies and gentlemen, another look at the race here. An excellent, you know, rendition of a beautiful sprint technique by the 2-time Olympic champion in 100 and 200 meter, Elaine Thompson Herah. And that is the Commonwealth Game, the 2022 Commonwealth Game, Birmingham. I think I said Birmingham at the beginning. Birmingham, England. Ladies and gentlemen, hit that red subscribe button, leave your comment. For my Jamaican sprinter, Mrs. Elaine Thompson Herah, two-time Olympic champion, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Rastafari, soldier of Deep Roots TV. Always proud of my Jamaican runners. Congratulations once again, Mrs. Elaine Thompson Herah. I'm more life and I'm more joy and I'm more enoughness. And I'm asking you stay blessed.
Hello,
yes.
My name is Eugene and welcome to Deep Roots TV.